Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. I found Kid Gohan, and he needs some help getting off of Namek. So, how the fuck did he get to this motherfucking place? And then requesting help to get the fuck off of Namek. So let's see what chances are Death Slicer. Okay, I guess that's his version of Destructo Disc. Okay. Get this knocked out. I don't think I'm gonna have Goku on my side this time.
How reckless, thinking you can rebel against me, do you? Be happy. Actually, on the other hand, be fearful of my most glorious form. Why do you have so much power? Let me praise you before you die. The power you showed was quite amazing. You would have been the greatest in the universe if only I wasn't around.
Oh.
How dare you! I will never lose! You're the one!
No!
Disappear!
Really? Damn.
That was easy.
Damn, Frieza got my ass.
What a mess! And you call your...
Damn. Think I just got Gohan fucked up. I don't know if they let me redo this.
Hello, I'm Gohan.
Alright, Gohan, let's do this again. I let you down.
How reckless, thinking you can rebel against me! Be happy. Actually, on the other hand, be fearful of my most glorious form.
I can't even see. Come on. What the hell? Frieza just fucking... Oh my god.
Let me praise you before you die. The power you showed was quite amazing.
Really?
You would have been the greatest in the universe if only I
Oh
wasn't
wow.
around.
Try this one more time. That was worse than the first try.
And you...
That's some fucked up shit. Frieza hard. No joke.
Hello, I'm Gohan.
Shut up, Gohan.
How reckless, thinking you can rebel against me! Be happy. Actually, on the other hand, be fearful of my most glorious form.
Really? Come on. on. Why can't they put damage on him? What the fuck?
Why do you have so much power?
Fuck you. That is fucked up.
What a
That is
mess!
fucked up.
And you call yourself my...
Oh, shut up, Richie. God damn, that's fucked up. That's some bull. I'll be right back, Gohan. Okay.
We have nice new items in stock.
Oh, that's how they gonna do me.
Welcome.
Oh. Frieza's starting to piss me off.
Hello, I'm Gohan.
Fuck you, Gohan. Where the fuck is your dad?
How reckless, thinking you can rebel against me. Be happy. Actually, on the other hand, be fearful of my most glorious form.
Really? Why is Frieza so goddamn powerful?
Get up here.
Oh my god. I can't even touch that.
That was
fucker,
easy.
Man. Come on.
What a mess!
Touched him like 2 seconds ago and I almost had him. Yeah, I saw it. Fuck, man. Oh, Frieza, why you trying to be OP, Frieza?
Hello, I'm Gohan.
You gonna get this fucking done.
How reckless, thinking you can rebel against me. Be happy. Actually, on the other
Really?
hand, be fearful of my most glorious form.
That fucking is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get up here.
Fuck
That
that
was
shit.
easy.
I'm gonna have to grind some more levels. Ladies and gentlemen,
What a mess!
till next time. Peace.